Want to buy a home but feel stuck because of low credit and inflation? You are not alone. And more importantly, your dream of home ownership is not over. Today, we're talking about practical steps you can take right now to prepare yourself financially, improve your position, and move toward buying a home with more confidence. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buying a home right now can feel overwhelming. Between inflation, rising costs, higher interest rates, and credit challenges, many people feel discouraged before they even begin the process. But here's the truth. Home ownership is still possible. You just need a smarter strategy. The first thing you should do is review your credit report carefully. Many people are surprised to discover old accounts, reporting errors, duplicate collections, or incorrect balances hurting their score. You should review all 3 credit bureaus and dispute any inaccurate information. That alone can sometimes increase your score faster than expected. Lower credit card utilization. One of the biggest factors affecting credit scores is credit card utilization. That simply means how much of your available credit you are using. Even paying balances down slightly can help improve your score over time. Focus on reducing debt strategically instead of applying for more credit. Stop rushing the process. A huge mistake many people make is rushing to buy because they feel pressure. But rushing into high-interest loans or homes you truly cannot afford creates long-term financial stress. Sometimes the smartest move is taking time to improve credit, increase savings, stabilize income, and prepare properly. Preparation is powerful. Look into first-time homebuyer programs. Many buyers don't realize there are programs designed specifically to help first-time homebuyers. Some programs may offer down payment assistance, lower credit requirements, grants, or reduced interest rates. Research local and state programs in your area because opportunities vary depending on where you live. Build a stronger financial foundation. In today's market, lenders want to see stability. That means consistent income, responsible spending habits, savings, and good payment history. Even small improvements over time can strengthen your financial profile significantly. Low credit today does not mean you will never become a homeowner. Inflation may make the process more challenging, but preparation, discipline, and financial education can help you move forward with confidence. Take things one step at a time. Focus on progress, not perfection. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs encouragement on their home buying journey. And remember, your current credit score is not your final destination. See you in the next video.